first remove the 8 housing screws. Second, you will lift up the lid. After you lift up the lid, third, you will disconnect the old power cord. Then unscrew the bolt that holds the power cord on. Next, you will get the Hakko tool or a pair of channel locks to remove the Hakko. Once you remove the Hakko, the power cords that we see you guys already have these male couplers already on them. So all you have to do is reattach. Just run it through the hole. Attach the white to the white, the black to the black. Then put your bolt back through and place your ground lug onto the bolt. Then apply the nut back and just make sure that this is tight. And replace your Hakko. Make sure all your wires are clear. So just close the lid back and re-screw it down. And that's it.